These epiphyllum? What are those called?
Yeah, these are epiphyllums here, and they
She's got a
bloom
bunch of
yellow,
those.
yellow, and big bright pink ones. What's fun, and this is part of the dragon fruit family.
Oh, wow. Interesting.
Actual dragon fruit have white blooms.
Uh-huh.
So these are more for the flower itself,
Uh-huh.
but they only bloom for one day. So you have to catch them.
Don't blink and miss it. Okay.
I know, except for the ones that are hanging, they have much smaller blooms, and those blooms will last for a couple of weeks.
Oh, this hanging one?
Yeah,
okay.
the hanging one.
Okay.
Yep,
And
the
let's...
psychotropic here.
Okay.
These are the
psychotropic.
San Pedro.
Yep. San Pedro's.
Yep, those all came from my dad's property. All the epiphyllums
Wow.
came from my dad's property.
All right. Okay.
All these aloes came from my dad's property.
A lot of aloes.
Yep. This is a mulberry that Oscar Clark created.
There's the mulberry.
And yeah, so that's from his property, from a cutting. Again.
All right.
Right? Plant
Okay.
maniacs. And here's the figs that came from my grandmother's
yeah.
property.
There's like a lot of... So, yeah, they're still green, huh?
Yeah,
Looks like it.
actually, my sister and I did a big pick, and probably in about another 4 or 5 days, because we're going to have another heat, they'll all ripen up. So this one is a golden fig from my grandmother's in L.A. So they did really well in L.A. The last crop, this particular crop, starts right now. But if we had heat longer, we'd get more fruit. And then this is a pink one.
Oh.
This
It's a whole separate one.
Complete different varietal.
It's not pink yet, but
No,
it's
not
pink
yet.
inside
It's
is what
pink
you're talking
inside,
about. Yeah.
and the
okay.
outside gets pink too, but
Oh,
not
really?
dark.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Should we go this way?
Sure.
Head over to buy your succulents, or just
Sure.
want to?
Absolutely.
Oh, what is this? Is this bog sage?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Love bog sage.
I know, it's so pretty. I love the
Here's
blue.
the bog sage.
Gorgeous.
Look at those flowers.
I know, right?
Ooh,
Right.
so nice. And then over here, everywhere you look, there are these vignettes. of
Crinum
flowers.
lilies. These all came from my dad's property.
What did you call these?
Crinum lilies.
Crinum lilies.
Yeah.
Wow.
Aren't they gorgeous?
Okay.
And they're really fragrant.
And then a
Really
little-
fragrant.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay. Okay. Oh,
Where do you want to go? You want to go in here?
Alstroemeria.
Yeah, those came from you.
Oh, okay.
The
Well,
Alstroemeria.
and I got them from Jeanette.
There you go. Yeah, that's what
Okay.
happens with plant people.
Yeah.
We just spread the joy.
Okay, let's look at this bed.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you can see more of the
So
figs
just
from this
the-
side too.
Oh,
You
yeah.
see all the
Look at
golden.
those fit there.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot
So
of
this
figs.
is a new bed that I'm developing. This one here,
Mm-hmm.
and so I've been planting. What I've been learning.
I love these.
I know, that's a cupcake Cosmo.
Oh my God.
Isn't that gorgeous?
I got to get some of those.
Oh well,
Yeah,
there'll be
I'll get
lots
some
of seeds.
seeds.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
good.
I'll spread the joy. Yeah. So when you're, what I'm learning is that when you're not sure what perennials you want to put in the ground, you plant annuals, and then that like holds the space, and you have
for that color.
Exactly.
So you can see if the color's working.
Exactly.
Oh, that's great. Oh, look. Is that goldenrod over there?
Yep, that's from you.
Hiding out. Yeah, I was spreading around the goldenrod.
That's it.
It's an excellent urinary tract tea herb.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, glad you added that in.
Yeah. Wow, your garden just... Oh, and then this one.
That's a cup.
Okay.
That's a cupcake too.
But it's got a little
But
dust
it's got the
muffin
little.
in it.
Yeah, it's got
Little
like a
ruffly.
little ruffle in it. So that's what's interesting about that particular varietal is it comes with a little ruffle.
What's it called, this one?
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
And then it comes the first one that we looked, which is just all the petals are connected
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
without it,
Right.
as opposed to this is a fancy one too, and I can't remember the name of this one. All kind of fluffy like that. But see how the petals are separated?
Uh-huh.
And that's different than the cupcakes are not separated. They're attached.
Right. Yeah.
That's what's
It's
so
just so
unusual.
neat.
I
You
know
never
it is,
see
right?
that, right?
Nope. And then you
Okay.
pan over here and you look at planted a whole package of
Oh
seeds.
my gosh. You
And just went nuts with coffee here.
Look at this.
I know.
It's the Cosmo farm. And then close up, you get like, oh man, these huge landing pads that these create.
Oh, they
for
are.
the pollinators?
Oh, and the pollinators go nuts over them.
Yeah.
So good.
So great. That's really beautiful. Oh, look, here's the,
Oh, kiss me over the garden.
oh, look, how many are over there? Woohoo!
Yeah, they really took off this year.
Oh my God.
I know, right? Just wildness.
Yeah.
I love
That's great. So I guess we're going around the edge.
Okay.
Sounds like.
All right.
Seems to be what's happening. Now, what is this?
That is called a piper or water piper. That came from my dad's property.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And I'm not quite sure what it's good for.
This is the bloom?
But that's the bloom. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know, with my dad's, what I learned when I was down there, I would look at something and I would go, oh, that's a weed. I'm going to pull it out. And either Oscar or my sister would say, no, that's a blah, 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 blah. And think, well, okay, that ain't coming out then. Yeah, this bed just kind of got taken over by the water piper. And I thought, okay, that's fine.
Look at this rose. Ooh, pretty.
It's a cemetery rose.
Oh, I like it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I just want to show. I remember when we were, you know, these rock edges were going in.
Yes.
And remember I mentioned it might be a good idea to have this little path, a chop and drop, because
I love it.
then you can maintain both beds.
Yes.
You're in the middle
Yes.
of both of them. And yeah, that
So
has
good
worked
to have
out.
that access. I love that part. It is so good.
It just makes it easy to maintain.
Oh,
you know,
it
chop
does.
and drop.
And it is a chop and drop. That's what I do.
Yeah.
That's what makes the
The
bed.
soil gets healthier and healthier. Right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Brugmansia.
Brugmansia. Yeah, these all came from my dad too. These are psychotropic.
Oh, okay.
And the fragrance when they bloom in the evening is intoxicating.
Wow.
Just
okay.
intoxicating. And I have white, double white, yellow, and pink.
Oh, okay. And then you have a whole little berry farm over here.
Yeah, this is all the raspberries. And fortunately, they're up
raspberries.
high enough. I've actually got them contained. They're not jumping the bed yet, so
Yeah.
pretty excited.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Nice bamboo support system here.
Yeah, yeah, that keeps them up. Otherwise, they're flopping all over the place. Yep.
Wow.
And so I have a lot of berries. So
Yeah.
these are raspberries, so they're coming on now. Then I have boysenberries along the fence.
So this is the raspberries. Okay. And then the boysenberries are up
Boysenberries,
here
yeah, these are
along the fence. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. And I train them up so that when you're picking,
uh-huh.
you're just standing and picking. You know, you don't have to go through a thicket or whatever.
Yeah.
So every couple of years, I cut everything down and use new canes.
Yeah. It's a good system. It doesn't take up a huge footprint either.
No, it
'cause
doesn't.
It's right
That's
there.
what's so wonderful about it.
Yeah. This is your peach, right?
This is my peach. Yep.
Okay. Good.
Yep. So this is my orchard now.
There's
So I have
orchard.
what is it, like 8 trees, I think?
Orchard goes, there's about 8 fruit trees.
I think so, yeah. Apples and pears and plums and peaches.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, and here's
And then
your
this
veggie.
This is my broccoli. I think this is like really an important thing to talk about.